Hi, I'm Cinder Hipke, a Baltimore-based mosaic artist, and I'm really excited to be heading to the Well soon, bringing almost my entire studio for the upcoming workshop, Exploring Mosaics as Metaphor. There's no art experience necessary. You'll have the opportunity, the time, the guidance, and the tools to make a beautiful piece, as well as these materials I'll have chosen: gorgeous, colorful glass and tile, gifts from the sea, baubles, and perhaps even pieces that you choose yourself that have sentimental value to you. You'll experience the calm focus of this meditative practice. You'll bring small bits together into a harmonious whole that shines with your creativity. Your hands, your mind, your soul, all will be in conversation with each other. And really, that is the profound metaphor of integration that Mosaics provides. I hope you'll join me.